Hello guys, my name is Isaac. A lot of people have been asking me to make this tutorial to add two numbers. So I'm going to make a Visual Basic program. Basically, this is what we are going to do, creating a VB project to add two numbers, where you're going to enter two random numbers, add them, and then you exit the program. This is so far what we are going to do, something simple. So I've already opened my VB program. This is how it looks like. So I'll come down here to create a project. My computer is a bit slow, so when I create my project, my new project, I'll come to Windows, Form Application, then I give my project a name. So the project will be adding two numbers. So I say okay, and then I wait for my form to create. Taking some time. Okay, my form is already here, created. So this is my form. This is where I'm going to create my properties, and then my user interface to suit what I want. So what do we start with? So I come on my toolbox, where I have my properties. First of all, I'm going to expand my form. So I look for what we call a label. I place my label there, then another label. I think I'll need like 4 labels. Second label, the third label, and then maybe I'll look for the final one. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 labels. So here I'll get my text box, then I place it there. I need more text boxes. I need 2 more. Okay, and then I need buttons, command buttons, the one that will add and then the one that will exit. So what I'll do, I want my properties to be big. So what I'll do, I'll press one of them, I'll select one of them, then press Ctrl, then click on this. I click on all the properties. After clicking on all the properties, I come to my Solution Explorer here. Solution Explorer, I look for the font. I want to increase my font. So this comes because I have highlighted all my properties. I want to expand them at once. I want them to be bold and size 20. Say okay. Automatically my properties will be large enough. So I expand this, expand that. So I want to form them to the size that I want. Increase this, and I increase that. I want to customize them to the format that I want. So I start designing my labels. So I click on the first one, and then I come to the text. I change the text. I say enter numbers to compute. So I extend it, and then here I have my enter num1, and then here I say enter num2. Okay, and then here I want my answer, so this will hold my answer. So for this label, I don't want, I just want this to be empty. So what I'll do, I'll not erase it first here. What I'm going to do, I'm going to look for the auto size. I take it to false so that my label doesn't disappear. So I increase the size. So here now I can come to oh, let me even change the border style. I can change the border style to 3D. There it looks better. Then here I can erase the text out. Okay, there my label will look better. And then I also change the text name and I say add, and then here it's maybe exit. Okay, this is my form, the ones that we want. So here I'm going to change the control names. So I click on the text box. The control name by default is text box 1, so I'll change it to txt1. Then this I change it to txt2, then txt2, and then I come to my answer here, the one that will hold my answer. I change it to blb result. Of course here we are applying the 3 prefixes that were taught, and then on add I come and say cmd add, press enter, and then for the exit it is cmd exit. And then so here we are done with two parts. We have designed our form. Of course these are the steps that we do to design our VB application. So what we have done, we have designed the form, and then we have attached properties to the various controls. So what we are going to do, we are going to attach code to the controls. So what we do, since we are going to click on add to add these two numbers, we are going to double click on our button called add, so that it takes us to the source code. The moment you press, you double click, and where the cursor is blinking from is where you're going to start coding from. So what we are going to do, we are going to start by declaring our variables. Of course we are going to use the dim. We say dim num1 comma num2, then we say as integer, and then we dim result as a double, because okay, and then we assign values to the variable names that we have gotten. So we have num1 will be equal to val, we said it was txt1 dot text, and then we have, so this is num1, this is num1, and then num2 is equal to the value that we shall press in txt2 dot text, and then our result we shall add num1 plus num2, and then we shall display the result on our label, with this label here, this one, the one where we are going to display our answer. So we shall have BLB result dot text is equal to this value result. So let's test our application and see. We run it and see whether our codes are working. Test and see whether our codes are working. So here let's have 23, then here I have 67. When we add, we get 90. Okay, so our application is working perfectly. So we have to code exit. So let's go back to our application. I come to exit. Since we are going to code exit, we are going to double click on exit, and then we say close as a method. So this is the code for exit. So if we run our program, we shall have 56 plus 12. When we add, it gives us 68 as our answer. So if we click on exit, our program is working perfectly. So what you have to note finally is we start by declaring variables, and then there are data types, and then we assign the values to the different controls that we have seen, and then we display our result on the different on our label, and then we exit the program. So thank you so much. I'm called Isaac, BBC1. Please always check out my new short tutorials that I'll be sending here. Thank you so much. Have a great afternoon or evening.